Bonjour, salut! Comment ça va? How are you? In this video, we will be going over some verbs, some daily routine, some places, and some expressive sentences. Let's start with going over some verbs. For me, I live in California, so I would say j'habite à California. Now you say where you live. J'habite à. Very good. Now let's go over the word travailler. Travailler is to work. For me, I would say je travaille. For you, tu travailles. And for he or she, il travaille, elle travaille. So when I say je travaille, it means I work. And when I say tu travailles, it means you work. Il travaille, he works. Elle travaille, she works. Now I could ask you, où est-ce que tu travailles? Where do you work? Où est-ce que tu travailles? So where do you work? You could say, je travaille au magasin. I work at the store. Now we will go over the verb prendre, which means to take. Prendre. I would say, je prends. And for you, tu prends. And for he or she, il prend, elle prend. So when I say je prends, it means I take. When I say tu prends, it means you take. And when I say il prend, he takes. Elle prend, she takes. For example, I could say je prends le stylo. That means I take the pen. I could also say tu prends le stylo. That means you take the pen. Il prend le stylo. He takes the pen. Elle prend le stylo. She takes the pen. Now you try to say it. Say with me, je prends le stylo. Say it with me now. Je prends le stylo. Très bien. Very good. Now we will look over the verb venir, which means to come. For me, I would say je viens. For you, tu viens. For he or she, il vient or elle vient. When I say je viens, that means I come. When I say tu viens, that means you come. When I say il vient, it means he comes. And elle vient means she comes. Let's learn some new words of places that we can go over to practice our new verb to come. First, let's go over these new words. The first word we'll go over is l'école. L'école means the school. It's an abbreviation, l'école, l'école, all together. I'll say it one more time slowly, and then you're going to practice saying it. L'école. Now you try it. L'école. Now the next word we will look at is le travail. If you remember earlier, we went over a word similar, travailler, which meant to work. So le travail means the work. Like when you go to work, is usually where somebody works their job. They would say, je viens à le travail. I'm going to work. So let's go over this one more time slowly. Le travail. Now you say it with me. Le travail. Now the next word is la maison. La maison. That means the house. Let's try to say it together. I'll say it one more time slowly. La maison. Now you say it with me. La maison. Very good. The next word is le parc. Le parc. This word, it sounds very similar to the word in English because it means the park. So this will be very easy to remember. Le parc means the park. Now you try to say it with me. Le parc. Very good, très bien. Now the next word, le magasin. Le magasin. That means the store. Le magasin. Say it with me. Le magasin. Very good. Now the next word is la plage. La plage. La plage means the beach. Say it with me. La plage. Je viens à la plage. I'm going to the beach. La bibliothèque. La bibliothèque. That means the library. I'll say that one more time slowly because it's a long word. La bibliothèque. Now you try to say it with me. La bibliothèque. Très bien, very good. Now, one last word. Le restaurant. Le restaurant. That means the restaurant. This one again sounds similar to the English word, so hopefully you'll be able to remember it. Le restaurant. Say this one with me. Le restaurant. Très bien. Now let's practice our verb venir, to come, with some of our new words that we learned of different places. I hope that everybody enjoyed this lesson. And for now, à bientôt. See you later. Au revoir. Merci.